Hi guys, so in this video we are going to discuss about a twosum problem of lead code. So we are going to perform this in Javascript. So here is a twosum problem of lead code. So it is given that they have provided an array of integers nums and an integer target. So guys, try to understand this problem, what all is required in this problem. So we have to find certain indexes of our integers which we are going to take in our array, so that they add up to our target. So let's suppose if our target is 9, so we have to find out two numbers those add up to 9. So in this case, 0th index 2 and first index 7 adds up to 9. Similarly, when our target is 6, so we have to find first index 2 and second index 4 value that add up to 6. So let's try to understand by doing a problem. So I am going to open my terminal. You can open in VS Code or anything. So I will write a function twosum and I am going to take parameters nums and target, let's say. So we are going to run a for loop. So basically we will run two nested for loops. One outer loop is for iterating over each number in an array, and the other inner loop will be for iterating over remaining numbers in our array. So I will write down the comment as well. So we will start our inner loop with ji plus 1. I will explain you why I am doing this. We will write g plus plus. So let's write the comment. Now what we have to do, we have to find out the indexes that add up to our target. So let's write a if condition. Now if those indexes are found, we will return them. Otherwise we will return an empty array. Now let's try to run our function. Let's define our array and let's define our target as well. So first we will take our target to, let's say, 9. Let's call our function and pass our arguments. Let's try to print our result in our console and let's see if that is running or not. Okay, so you can see that our indexes are returned. So first 0th index 2 and first index 7 adds up to our 9. So let's check our next target value. So let's say 18. Let's run it again. So it is working fine, like 7 and second index 11 adds up to 18. So this was a basic problem which I had solved in JavaScript. So I will summarize what I have done in this video. So basically we have defined a twosum function and we have taken two parameters, nums and target. We have defined two for loops. One is an outer loop for iterating over each number in an array, and one is an inner loop for iterating over remaining numbers in an array. So we have taken the inner loop to j equal to I plus 1 because we have started it from I plus 1 so as to ensure that we don't repeat pairs or use the same element twice. So if our indexes are found, we will return them, or else we will return an empty array. So guys, this was a basic easy problem of LeetCode. So in our upcoming videos we will try to build up more pace and we'll try to solve up more complex situations as well. So stay tuned to this playlist.